Welcome back, everybody. Today is a work day. As you can see, I've got my work hat on. Today is what I like to call rip and strip day. We're going to tear everything off the bike and get rid of all the stuff that we don't want. So in the parts that we ordered, we got the bigger style turn signals. We got new grip, and we got new throttle tube. We got clutch and brake levers. We got the chain guide that's broke in the back. We got spark plug, O-rings, and oil filter and everything to work on the motor. We also got new back brakes for the rear. So yeah, we'll get started on this, get the plastic off of it, and see what we've got. Okay, so we got pretty much everything off of it, so we're going to start and get some of this stuff cleaned off of it. Get started with this. Get off of there. Take this grip off of here. We'll do it the easy way. Alright, take this switch off right here. Here. Now, this one here. I guess we need these. Okay, so that's off of there. So this down here so I can see where everything's going. Here's these wires going to that. So let's just go ahead and cut them. I'm not going to use this again, so just get rid of it. Okay, so these light switch. So we got most of the stuff off this side. We'll go ahead and I'm going to take these turn signals off of here. We may put the new ones on it. I'm not sure yet. So I got everything kind of off the front of this, and we found something here. The instrument panel, or instrument cluster. You can see right here is part of the base of this. Now that's the only one that's there. The rest of them are all gone. That mounts us to the bracket. So yeah, this is something we're gonna have to address and try to repair it. And I know this bike's 30 years old, so there's probably not going to be a lot of parts available for that, and that's going to be a whole cluster to fix that. So we end up today with everything being pretty much ripped off the bike. Got the foot peg thingies here is gone. All the turn signals is off. The grips, the throttle tube, and everything is off. So basically, we are at the point of starting to put it back together.